Guys, what's happening? So today we're going to be graphing quadratics still. We're still going to be graphing parabolas, okay? But the form is going to look a little different. It's going to look like this, and it's called intercept form, okay? And remember how last time our form, there was the h opposite and k keep it the same? Well, today we're going to have something similar. Anytime you see something inside the with the x, inside the parentheses with the x, for instance, you have a p and you have a q, anytime you see those values, because there's a negative in front of it, you're going to do the opposite, more or less. Similar to h opposite, okay? It's kind of like p opposite, q opposite, but that's bordering ridiculous, okay? All right, so let me just get you started. Let's do a couple examples. All right, we're going to graph y equals -3 parentheses x plus 3, x plus 5, okay? So basically, my p is -3 and my q is -5, okay? But you don't really have to overthink it. Check this out. Let's go ahead and graph this. We're going to do a couple things, and if you follow these steps, I think you should be okay. And if you forget the steps, just go back and watch the video again, okay? No big deal, right? All right. All right, so here's how it goes. All right. First thing you're going to do, whatever you see here, that's a 3, so you're going to do the opposite. So it's -3, and you count on the x-axis. That x should help remind you. So we're going to go on the x-axis, 1, 2, -3, and put a dot. Okay? Then you look over here, you see a 5, okay? It's in there with the x, so you do the opposite, so -5 on the x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you put a dot right there, okay? All right, so now, here's what we do. Wherever those dots are, you're going to find the axis of symmetry. It's that line that goes straight down the middle between the two dots, okay? So there's my axis of symmetry, okay? And that axis of symmetry is x equals, well, count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, -4. So x equals -4, okay? All right, so here's what we do. We go like this, make a t-chart off to the side, and basically all your problems are going to follow the same steps, okay? This is a general way you can use this method for every problem, okay? So let's put this point in there. That's -5, 0, so put -5, 0. This is your, x and y t-chart. -5, 0, okay? We have -4, okay? So put a -4. We don't know what the y coordinate is, okay? And then we have our -3, 0, okay? So we're just going to go in order here, okay? This is -5, 0. This is -3, 0. Okay, we just go from left to right and list the points, okay? We don't know what this guy is, but guess what? It's my vertex, okay? So we just want to figure out what coordinate goes there, and all you need, oh, shoot, hello, did you see that? Okay, I didn't break anything. We just want to use our calculator, okay? See if I could squeeze everything in the screen here. All right, turn it on, clear whatever's there, and go back up to the equation. Ready? -3, so type -3, then parentheses, then you see an x, right? Well, the x value that we want is the -4. So put -4, then put your +3, close the parentheses, then new parentheses. You have an x again, so put the -4 again. So -4, then +5, close the parentheses, hit enter, and you get 3. So that's what goes right here. Now plot the point, -4, 3. So we go 1, 2, 3, -4, 1, 2, 3. And there is my vertex, and here's my parabola. So you just draw in that curve here. All right, and there's my vertex point. My vertex is -4, 3, okay? It's basically how it's done, okay? All right, so let's try another one. See if you can keep up. Again, if this is going too fast, just pause it, rewind it, play it again. All right, we have y equals 2 parentheses, x minus 3 times x plus 1, okay? And we'll do the same thing. Let's graph this. computer out of the way here. Okay. All right, there we go.